Merry Christmas, everybody.
What's this, Arthur?
It's a Christmas tree, rascal.
And what are these?
They're presents.
I can smell something nice.
Turkey for Christmas dinner. Yummy.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish
Uh-oh.
you a Merry Christmas.
What's that noise?
Oh, somebody is singing a Christmas carol.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
It's Trixie and her friends.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Meow. Ooh, I love Christmas. Can we do this again next year?